Welcome to this tutorial on how to star a document in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates that make this process even smoother. Starring documents is a fantastic way to keep your important files easily accessible. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in the address, drive.google.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your files and folders listed there. Next, find the document you want to star. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you have many documents. Once you locate the document, look to the right of its name for a set of 3 vertical dots. This is the Options menu. Now, click on those 3 dots next to your document. A drop-down menu will appear, showing various options related to that file. Here, you will want to select Organize. This option allows you to manage how your files are categorized within Google Drive. After selecting Organize, another window will pop up. In this window, you will see several options for organizing your document. Look for the option that says Add to Starred. Clicking this will mark your document as starred, making it much easier to find later. Finally, once you've added your document to Starred, you can quickly access it anytime by clicking on Starred in the left sidebar of Google Drive. This section will display all the documents you've starred, so you can find them without sifting through all your files. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully starred a document in Google Drive on your PC. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of important files that you need regular access to. Enjoy organizing your documents more efficiently.